What's up, YouTube? I am so freaking excited for this because you know what's going down. I got my hands on a pair of Yeezys. So I got the 350 V2 Boost. I don't know how to say it, but then I got the Oreo one. Oh my gosh, these things are nice. Oh, take a look at that. These things are nice. Can't believe this is happening. Look on the inside, as you can see, it's like kind of like, I don't know how to say it. You could just see like the laces in there. There's the other shoe. So if you guys didn't notice this, Yeezys, there's this like really cool thing about them. It took a while for me to notice this too when I was like buying them. They when it says SPLY 350, it says it backwards on the right shoe in a normal, see look, so on the right shoe it says it, well, to you guys it looks like it says it in forward font, but to me it's not because this is a camera. But see, one shoe has it forward font and one shoe has backwards font. You guys can see that. See, look, this one says it like that, this one says it like that. Here we go, I'm gonna try them on. Alright, here we go. Let's see how comfortable these things are. So they're made of this thing that makes them like so expensive is the of course the Boost, which is, if you don't know what the Boost is, it's like a really comfortable insole and like the shoe itself and the material of the shoe. Like my one of my friends from school, he has Yeezys, and one time we were running the mile every Friday. We had to run the mile, and he's wearing his Yeezys, and it was raining, and he got his Yeezys all wet, and he had to pay like $500 to get them like redone or something. I felt bad for him. He had to pay like $500. So like that's the material of the Yeezys. It's like it doesn't do very well with water, apparently. There we go, fam. Alright, so I'm so stoked to have these shoes. Stand up. Ooh. So really comfortable. Ooh. These things are nice. Look at them. They're really comfortable. Can't believe I got my hand on a pair of freaking Yeezys, yo. And yeah, so here they are. You can see why they call them Oreo. See, look. I mean, oh, look, I also got a pair of fake Oreo Yeezys. Bruh. Here, let me see. I mean, look. You can see it's called Oreo because look, that's the chocolate part. It's the chocolate part, and that's the cream in the middle, which is cool. It's a funny name for it. And oh, thank you guys for 10+ subscribers. Taking that to heart. Hopefully in the next couple years I can hit like 270 like my friend America's Gamer. I'm gonna be featured in a video with him this weekend. So I'm going over to his house for a sleepover on Friday night, and I'm ordering gummies off of bat19.com. So I'm gonna get the gummy watermelon, which doesn't come back in stock until tomorrow, so I can't order that till tomorrow. But oh crap, I might not get that one in time. But I'm getting the burgers, the burger and hot dog, pizza, the watermelon, the giant gummy worm, and the giant gummy bear. Those are all the ones I'm getting. So I'm getting 5 gummies, and I'm gonna split them with Joey, America's Gamer, aka. So yeah, hope you guys like my Yeezys, and I'll see you guys on, I don't know when I'll see you guys. I'll see you pretty soon though. Peace. 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 Bye. Are you kidding?